Adekunle Ajasin University, Akungba Akoko, Ondo State, Nigeria, and Professor Olu Alana cordially invite the general public to the 36th inaugural lecture titled Decolonizing the New Testament, Portraits and Narratives in Africa, to be delivered by Professor Olu Alana on Tuesday, March 25, 2025, under the distinguished chairmanship of Professor Olugbenga Ike, Vice Chancellor, Adekunle Ajasin University, Akungba Akoko. Venue is a university multipurpose hall. Time is 2 p.m. Guests are expected to be seated by 1:30 p.m. Adekunle Ajasin University, Akungba Akoko, 36th inaugural lecture titled Decolonizing the New Testament, Portraits and Narratives in Africa, to be delivered by Professor Olu Alana. Members of the university community and the general public are cordially invited. Please join us.